Welcome to new class. Most important biology MCQs for upcoming test. 1. Which are the 4 most abundant elements in living cells? A. Carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. B. Carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen. C. Carbon, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus. D. Carbon, sulfur, hydrogen, magnesium. The correct option is B. Carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen. 2. A series of hypotheses supported by the results of many tests is called A. Scientific law. B. Theory. C. Data. D. Deduction. The correct option is B. Theory. 3. Which is an organic compound found in most cells? A. Water. B. Glucose. C. Oxygen. D. Sodium chloride. The correct option is B. Glucose. 4. Biological sciences have a set methodology, and it is based on A. Experimental inquiry. B. Aesthetic preference. C. Philosophical ideas. D. Imaginations. The correct option is A. Experimental inquiry. 5. Proteins are made from amino acids by the process of A. Hydrolysis. B. Pinocytosis. C. Dehydration synthesis. D. Active transport. The correct option is C. Dehydration synthesis. 6. An unbroken series of species arranged in ancestors to descendant sequence with each later species having evolved from one that immediately preceded it is called A. Biome. B. Phyletic lineage. C. Community. D. Population. The correct option is B. Phyletic lineage. 7. Sodium ions are pumped from a region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration in the nerve cells of humans. This process is an example of A. Diffusion. B. Passive transport. C. Osmosis. D. Active transport. The correct option is D. Active transport. 8. Normally, in the process of osmosis, the net flow of water molecules into or out of the cell depends upon differences in the A. Concentration of water molecules inside and outside the cell. B. Concentration of enzymes on either side of the cell membrane. C. Rate of molecular motion on either side of the cell membrane. D. None of these. The correct option is A. Concentration of water molecules inside and outside the cell. 9. The concept that various organisms dominated this planet during various geological time period, and thus placing organisms in a time sequence came from the studies by A. Environmental biologist. B. Paleontologist. C. Marine biologist. D. Social biologist. The correct option is B. Paleontologist. 10. Most cell membranes are composed principally of A. DNA and protein. B. Protein and lipids. C. Protein and chitin. D. Protein and RNA. The correct option is B. Protein and lipids. 11. A large regional community primarily determined by climate is called A. Population. B. Community. C. Biome. D. Habitat. The correct option is C. Biome. 12. Which of the following pathogen type cause disease that can be treated with antibiotics? A. Bacteria. B. Fungi. C. Virus. D. None of these. The correct option is A. Bacteria. 13. Different species of plants and animals living in the same habitat is called A. Population. B. Community. C. Biome. D. Habitat. The correct option is B. Community. 14. The evaporative cooling in the respiratory tract of dogs is called A. Vasodilation. B. Vasoconstriction. C. Panting. D. All of these. The correct option is C. Panting. 15. Group of living organisms of the same species living in the same place at the same time is called A. Community. B. Population. C. Ecosystem. D. Biome. The correct option is B. Population. 16. Production of sweat and sebum is related with A. Skin. B. Liver. C. Lungs. D. Git. The correct option is A. Skin. 17. In animals, coordination is achieved by means of A. Nervous system. B. Endocrine system. C. Respiratory system. D. Both A and B. The correct option is D. Both A and B. 18. Hemodialysis means cleaning of A. Urine.
B. Blood.
C. Glomerular filtrate. D. Coalomic fluid. The correct option is
B. Blood.
19. A structure formed by groups of similar cells organized into loose sheets or bundles performing similar functions is called as A. An organ. B. An organism. C. A tissue. D. A cell. The correct option is C. A tissue. Welcome to